Hey, sorry. We got interrupted, and I'm sure you guys have noticed I don't know how to edit videos. So here's part 2 of our lesson. We're almost done. Summary of shape distributions. So we talked about 4 of them: symmetric, uniform, skewed right, skewed left. Symmetric, if I draw a line down the center, it's going to split it equally on both sides, or approximately equal. And uniform ends up looking like a rectangle because each one of your data entries is occurring the same number of times. So all of the frequencies or the height of the bars would be the same, and it creates that nice rectangle shape. So uniform is a rectangle, symmetric is the same on both sides. And for both of these distributions, your mean and median is happening in the center of your graph, so they would be equal. Something else I would like to point out, in this particular graph, your mode would also be 6 because that is the highest bar, which means 6 is the data entry that's occurring with the most frequency. Now let's look at the bottom 2, skewed left and skewed right. When you look at this graph, most of your data is over here, but then it seems to tail off to the right. So you describe the skewedness of a graph by the direction of its tail. So because this is tailing off to the right, it's skewed right. Over here, the data is tailing off to the left, so it's skewed left. And your tail pulls the mean in its direction. So your mean would get pulled to the right because your tail is going to the right, which means the mean, or the average of that data set, is going to be greater than the median, the middle number. Here, if this data is skewed left, the tail is going to the left, and it's pulling the mean, or the average, to the left as well. So if the data is skewed left, the tail brings down the average, making the mean less than the median. And that's it for this lesson. If you guys have any questions, email me. You have a Math Excel assignment or my Math Lab statistics assignment due Sunday. This is the only assignment of the week. I hope you guys are doing great. If you have any questions about the virtual graduation or any kind of senior stuff, email me that too. Miss you. Bye.